How does libertarianism defend against government surveillance? Imagine living in a world where your every move, message, and conversation is watched without your knowledge. That's the concern many people have about government surveillance. Now, how does libertarianism step in to protect us from this kind of intrusion? Let's break it down. Libertarians believe that individual privacy is a fundamental right. They argue that the government should not be allowed to spy on people without a good reason supported by a court order. This is based on the Fourth Amendment of the United States Constitution, which says that searches and seizures need to be supported by probable cause and a warrant. Libertarians push back against practices like mass data collection, where the government gathers information from millions of people without suspicion. They see this as an invasion of privacy that can lead to abuse of power. For example, collecting phone records, emails, or internet activity without specific reasons violates personal privacy rights. They also oppose secret searches, such as sneak and peek warrants or national security letters, which allow government agencies to search or seize information without court approval. Libertarians believe that transparency and accountability are key. They want laws that requiring law enforcement to get proper judicial approval before conducting searches or collecting data. This prevents unchecked government overreach. They also emphasize that free speech and political dissent should be protected from being labeled as threats or used as reasons for surveillance. This keeps society open and free for honest debate. Some libertarians recognize that in the digital age, privacy is more complicated. They support reforms that limit government powers and strengthen legal protections. For example, repealing laws like the Patriot Act, which expanded surveillance powers without enough oversight. They want clear rules that restrict government agencies from collecting data without proper court approval. Overall, libertarians believe that limiting government surveillance is essential to protecting civil liberties. They argue that strong legal safeguards and transparency are the best ways to prevent abuse and keep individual rights safe. Their goal is a society where personal privacy is respected and government powers are kept in check.